Hi guys, this is Nitya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Today we are going to see the Unit 1 numerical methods. In that numerical methods we are going to see the interpolation as well as the problems also. So interpolation is a interval. That is, interpolation is basically it's an interval. So between the intervals, if you are finding the values, that is called the interpolation, and outside the interval, if you are finding the values, that is called as the extrapolation. See the definition: interpolation. So to find the value of y corresponding to some value of x between a and a plus nh is called interpolation, and outside the interval into a plus nh is called extrapolation. That is, if you are taking the interval as a and a plus nh. So inside the value if you are finding, that is called the interpolation. Outside the interval if you are finding, that is called as the extrapolation. See here an example, that is the only bracket which I have bracket, that is enough. So for your reference I am telling you. See x and x values and y values. See here 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, so if they are asking us to find the value of 6, x is 6, what is the value of x is equal to 6 in the place of y they are asking. What is the value of y for x is equal to 6 if they are asking. So 6 is lies between 5 and 7. So it will comes under the interpolation. Suppose if they are asking the value of 2 or 12. See, if the 2 is outside of that interval, they have given only 3 to 11 only they have given. But if they are asking 2 or 12 or 13, likewise that will be called as the extrapolation. So finite differences, this is very finite differences table. This is very important. Please by heart at the table. It's very important. So how can you find the values in the table? That is, first write the x values which they have given in the question. Then y values you can write the question. Then y2 minus y1 is delta y1. y3 minus y2 is delta y2. This is not delta. You can call this as a lambda actually. You can call this as a lambda, and the opposite of this one is called as the delta. So this is a lambda value. So y4 minus y3 is lambda y3, and y5 minus y4 is lambda y4. This is which they have written here. Likewise backward differentiation, backward difference also they have written, and this is the backward difference table. See here, x values they have given, y values they have given, and this is the delta square, delta cube, delta power 4. So this is y2 minus y1 is delta y2. See here, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y2, y4 minus y3. So y2 minus y1 is delta y2, y3 minus y2 is delta y3. Likewise they have written. Okay, so this is a backward difference table. Next we are going to find some symbols as well as the some 2 more questions using the relationship between the some symbols. See the first one, the shift operator E is defined as the equation. This is shift operator, that is which we are going to use. So E into f of a can be written as f of a plus h. So E squared into f of a can be written as f of a plus 2h. So E power 3 is f of a plus 3h. Likewise E power n into f of a is f of a plus nh. Now relation between the E and lambda. So prove that E equal to 1 plus lambda. So this is a university question which they have asked for the past 5 years. Consider the operations with the functions f of a. So let us take that E equal to E of f of a. So E of f of a, we know that f of a plus h. So write it. Then E they have given in the question as 1 plus lambda. So this can be written as 1 plus lambda into f of a. So f of a, you just multiply f of a plus lambda into f of a, that is f of a plus this can be written as f of a plus h minus f of a, that is this is see that here they have given lambda f of a equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. So we are writing that f of a plus h. Take this is the first equation, second equation. So from 1 and 2 we are getting E equal to 1 plus lambda. Next, shift operator E inverse is defined as E inverse of f of a equal to f of a minus h. So E power minus 2 into f of a is f of a minus 2h. E power minus n into f of a is a minus f of a minus nh. So this is also an important 2 mark question. So E proof that E power minus 1 equal to 1 minus delta. So E power minus 1 equal to E power minus 1 into f of a. This can be written as f of a minus h as per the this term. Then this can be written as 1 minus, that is RHS can be written as 1 minus delta equal to 1 minus delta into f of a. So f of a minus delta into f of a. So you can multiply and then you can get the answer like this using this thing. After that we are getting the answer is f of a minus h. So okay, arrived at the left hand side and right hand side. Next one is, see the other difference operators, that is this one. See this symbol, we can say the central difference operator. Central difference operator, that is just like a S symbol, not S exactly, but see here I have given it. See the problems, you can see it clearly, which is equal to f of a plus h by 2 minus f of a minus h by 2, and then mu, one more thing, mu, which is equal to 1 by 2 f of a plus h by 2 plus f of a minus h by 2. Now this is the relationship between this symbol, that is the central difference operator symbol. This can be written as this can be also called as a lambda. So e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. So let us take the lambda equal to lambda into f of a. So f of a plus h by 2 minus f of a minus h by 2. This can be written as per the definition, e power 1 by 2 f of a minus e power minus 1 by 2 f of a. So this can be written as e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. We are taking f of a to be outside. So on both sides, if we are cancelling f of a, therefore we are getting the lambda equal to e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. Next one, mu equal to 1 by 2 into e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 2. Let us take the left hand side, mu equal to mu of f of a. So this can be done as 1 by 2 into f of a is f of a plus h by 2 plus f of a minus h by 2. So this is e power 1 by 2 f of a, then e power minus 1 by 2 f of a. Okay, so e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2, can take this as a common and then you can get the answer. Likewise this term also, e delta equal to delta e minus lambda. So let us take the e delta left hand side, so it multiply by f of a, so we will get the answer, and get the answer is lambda. Then this side you can take del e, so del into e into f of a equal to del into e into f of a, so this can be del into f of a plus h. So f of a plus h, del, if you are applying the operator, f of a plus h minus f of a will come. So this is named as a lambda. So e into lambda equal to del into e equal to lambda. Next question, next one, 1 plus lambda equal to 1 minus del equal to 1. So 1 plus lambda into 1 minus del equal to e into e inverse. How? Since 1 plus delta equal to e and 1 minus 1 plus lambda equal to 1 minus del equal to e inverse, that is which we have seen there in the first two important questions we got seen. So from that, then this can be done as e power 0, that is which is equal to 1. Okay, these are the simple 2 mark questions, just to go through it. So then e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus lambda whole power 1 by 2 equal to 2 plus lambda. So just take the left hand side, and you can this 1 plus lambda can be written as e power 1 by 2 and then multiply inside the terms. Then since we know that 1 plus lambda equal to e, so e, this is e, then this is e power 0, so e plus 1, that is e is 1 plus lambda, so 1 plus lambda plus 1, this is 2 plus lambda, which we have proved with the right hand side. Next question also, this are problems, you can go through it. Central difference operator lambda equal to del e power minus 1 by 2, which is equal to lambda e power minus 1 by 2 equal to del e power 1 by 2. So take the left hand side and write it and apply the thing, and then likewise right hand side, then you can easily prove it. The next also, it's the easiest problem, just we are applying the thing which we know that the formulas. These are all the simple 2 mark problems, go through it. And last one, this is important, this they have asked in the previous years. Proof that lambda plus del equal to lambda by del minus del by lambda. So take the left hand side, so what will happen, lambda plus del equal to, this is e minus 1, we know that, and this is 1 minus e inverse, we know that. So you can take it e minus 1 plus 1 minus e inverse, this can be done as e minus e inverse after cancelling. Then right hand side is, take the right hand side, this can be written as e minus 1 and this is 1 minus e inverse. Likewise this will you can write, and then e minus e power minus 1 can be written as 1 by e, so change it, then cross multiply, the mixed term, mixed fraction, then you can cancel it and reduce it. You can get the answer as e minus e power minus 1. Take this second equation. First, from the first and second we arrived at the result. So we have seen only the basic definition, that is interpolation, extrapolation, and then the operators we had seen del, lambda, then central difference operator, mu. So many things, that is the basic problems we had seen. Just go through it. Thank you.